Hey everyone! Welcome to AI with Muqtadir, where I bring you the latest AI trends and tools to help you grow and succeed. In today's video, I'll show you how to earn money online using AI, even if you have no technical skills. AI is creating new opportunities every day, and if you're not using it to make money, you're missing out. So, let's dive in. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll share the best AI tool for making money in 2025. Memo 1. AI-powered freelancing. One of the easiest ways to make money with AI is by offering freelancing services. You don't need to be an expert because AI tools do most of the work. How to start? Sign up on Fiverr or Upwork. Offer AI-powered writing, design, or video editing services. Let AI do 90% of the work while you earn money. Potential earnings: $50 to $500 per project. 2. AI-generated YouTube videos. You don't need to show your face or record anything. AI can do everything. Top AI tools for YouTube. Pictory creates AI-edited videos from text. 11 Labs AI generates realistic voiceovers. HeyGen uses AI avatars to present content. How to start? Pick a trending niche: AI, tech, finance. Use ChatGPT to generate a script. Create a video using Pictory and 11 Labs AI. Upload and monetize your channel. Potential earnings: $1,000 plus per month from ads and sponsorships. 3. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools and earn commissions for every sale. Best AI affiliate programs. Jasper AI. Earn up to 30% commission. Write Sonic. Great for AI writing. Midjourney. AI art tool with a referral system. How to start? Create AI-related content on YouTube, blogs, or social media. Share your affiliate links. Earn commissions when people sign up. Potential earnings: $500 to $5,000 per month. AI is changing the way we make money online, and now is the time to take advantage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI business ideas. More AI insights coming soon on AI with Muqtadir.